Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to transfer money from YouTube to bank account. You see, many of us have this problem. Well, I'm here to solve it for you. Understanding how to transfer money and on YouTube to your bank account involves recognizing that YouTube's payment system is primarily managed through Google AdSense. Yes, you have to first of all meet YouTube's monetization requirements to earn the money. That's right. The requirements of the YouTube Partner Program. This includes having a certain number of subscribers and valid public watch hours. Once you've done this, Google AdSense is a platform that handles payment for YouTube creator. So you need to create an AdSense account and link it to your YouTube channel. Next, you need to verify your AdSense account. And that requires you to verify your identity and address. This may involve providing personal information, receiving a verification PIN in the mail, and providing tax information. Next, you have to set up your payment method. In your AdSense account, you will need to select your preferred payment method. Options may include EFT, that's electronic funds transfer, wire transfer, and other options depending on your location. You will need to provide your bank account details so reach the payment threshold. AdSense has a payment threshold. You must reach it before payments are issued. Once you've reached the payment threshold, AdSense will issue a payment according to your chosen payment schedule. The funds will be transferred to your bank account. It's as simple as that. What are the important things to consider? 1. AdSense policies. Familiarize yourself with Google AdSense policies to ensure you comply with their items and connections. And actually, conditions. AdSense has specific payment schedules, so understand when you can expect to receive your earnings. Provide accurate tax information as this is essential. Google and YouTube policies are subject to change, so always rely on the most up-to-date information from Google's help pages. And if you're wondering where you can find official information, you can refer to the official Google AdSense and YouTube help resources. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.